You buy a house for $150,000. You pay $30,000 down payment and take out a 20-year mortgage with an interest rate of 5%. What should the loan balance be after 5 years? There's a formula for calculating the loan balance at any time, and the formula is already here below. So the A is the amount that's still due in the loan, equals P, the principal amount of the loan, or the amount of loan you start with, times 1 plus R over N, where R is the annual interest rate and N is the number of times you make a payment per year. And then to the NT power, well, the T is the time in years that you have to pay off the loan. So in this case, that would be 20. And then you have 1 plus R over N again, and then to the NM power. And the M in this case is the years of payments made. And then you're dividing by 1 plus R over N to the NT power, and then minus 1. So let me go ahead and fill this whole formula, and then we'll use a calculator from there. So the amount of the loan is $120,000 because you bought the house for $150,000, but your down payment was $30,000. So then it's 1 plus, and the interest rate is 5%, so 0.05 to 12. And that's raised to the NT power. The NT, that equals 12 times per year times 20 years, or 240. Then minus 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12. And that's to the NM power. Well, NM, that's 12 times 5, the number of years payments made so far. So that equals 60. So it'll be to the 60th power divided by 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12. To the 240 power again, and then minus 1. Okay, so that whole big calculation is going to tell you the loan balance after 5 years. So let's go to the calculator. Now the 1 plus R over N part repeats several times, so I'm going to do that calculation first. 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12. Okay, now to do the formula, I'm going to take that value, just doing second answer, that way you get the full decimal, it's nice and easy. And it's going to be to the 240 power. Then minus that 1 plus R over N value again, to the 60, the NM. Close parentheses there. So that's the whole numerator right there, nice and simple. Then divided by that 1 plus R over N ratio again, to the 240, minus 1. Okay, so that's that whole amount inside the big brackets. It's 0.8345 and so on. So all I need to do is multiply that by 120,000. So that's 100,145. We'll just round it to 100,100. Okay, and that is the loan balance after 5 years.